Hello guys, welcome back. Let's have a look on the tool here called quick selection tool. Okay, quick selection tool has got these three things. One is normal paint selection, which is a new selection there, and add selection and subtract selection. So what is that you need to do is you have a brush in the hand, just like the way you paint it, just click and drag it. Okay, and then you could able to see I have selected I'm just selecting certain things here. Okay, just the way I'm painting, it's almost like magic wand, but you don't have that tolerance and all that stuff here. Even contiguous layer is also not there. So if you could see, this is my selection tool, and then when I click, immediately for the second time it's going into the add selection, and then I just click and drag it, and it's selecting all that new areas into our selection. Okay, now if I use this subtract selection, it is helpful in recovering our lost things. Like in this case, you should able to see the leaf is not selected, so I have to click there and the leaf gets selected there. Okay, so spend your time and then start selecting the things, and you should able to see that you have selected. Okay, so there's a leaf missing, so I can just click and paint, and then leaf is selected. So it's quite simple to select with the add selection tool. So we have the brush size, which is sort of controlling your tolerance, and then you have a sample all layers. As I told, if I got second image, a third image as in different layers, in that case it will also consider that images for selection. So whatever things are visible on screen are considered basically. Auto enhance option can be used. It by default is on, just you also keep it on. Auto enhance enhances the selections automatically. For better results, I recommend that to be switched on. So if you have magic wand selection, like if you are pressing W, you are selecting magic wand by default, but you can cycle between magic wand and quick selection by just pressing Shift W, so that cycles between these two tools. Okay.